Hello everyone, this is a demo of how you can install Smock-it CLI plugin. So before doing that, you would need a few things installed, which are, first of all, you would require Node. Then you would also require the uh, SF CLI. Apart from this, you would also require the Mokaru API key. This is used to generate data in our backend, but soon over we would be replacing it with our internal library. You can get this API key by signing on to mokaru.com, and then you can visit the My API key section, and here you can get the API key. You can set this API key into your environment variables by following a simple command. So once this is also set, you are all ready to install the Salesforce CLI plugin Smock-it. For this, you just need to write one simple command. As this command runs, it would install the latest version of Smock-it directly in your CLI. As you can see that it is loading. And here we have installed the version 2.1.0 for Smock-it. So before proceeding, just a quick overview of the directory structure which we follow in Smock-it, which is we have a datagen folder in which resides your templates. These are the guidelines or the rule sets which you can feed to Smock-it to generate data, as well as all the generated data would get into the output folder whenever you use the Smock-it CLI. Now let us check if the CLI has been installed in our system or not. You can do this by writing sf plugins command. As you can see that Smock-it 2.1.0 is installed on your system. Also, you can update the CLI plugins by running this simple command sf update. And this would update all the plugins which are set on your Salesforce CLI. So I think that we are good to go. And as well as apart from this, if you still have any queries or you need all of these steps, you can directly refer to the link tree which is present in our description. So thank you.